God. My God. My God. What do you do, Jack? What do you do after my gun, Robin? What?
What did I do?
My gun is fell down on the snow.
Well, it's a water gun, right?
Yeah.
So it's okay if it gets wet?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not a white. Can you wash it off? I want the snow off it.
You're such a pathetic kid.
Hey, that's gonna not a wasp. Now just getting all yanky. I have to buy some new ones of this one. Then what? This all by myself. You get this kind of too. Now I don't have a gun. Is it all wasp?
Yes.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. There's still garbage on there.
There's no snow on it.
But there's garbage on there.
It's not my garbage.
But there's no garbage.
Dad, go on.